When registering for freshman chemistry, I strongly recommend that you use a tool like CourseOff to plan your schedule. You're going to need to get two CRNs, or course registration numbers, in order to register for freshman chemistry courses. And so CourseOff can help you make sure you get the times right as well as selecting proper sections. So let's imagine that we wanted to register for General Chemistry, Chem 1310, which is going to be the course of choice for the majority of engineering majors, for example. You're going to notice a bunch of sections with my name attached to them. The professor is here in bold, and the times taken up, particularly the days, are marked in blue here for the course. You'll notice two times. One, the 3-hour block, say from 7 to 10, is the laboratory time, and the other is the recitation time, and that'll be 50 minutes. The section name or number itself has a letter and a number within it. You can tell this is a lab section because it's got a letter and a number. And CourseOff also shows you a fairly up-to-date count of the number of seats remaining, or the number of seats available, and the total capacity. So when registering for general chemistry, as I mentioned, you're going to need two CRNs, one for the lab section and one for the lecture section. So depending on the nature of your schedule and the constraints on your time, you may want to register for the lab or the lecture first. Say I wanted to take Dr. Schurmeyer's section, I would click here, and now I'm locked in with the 3 lecture times and the common exam time. In CourseOff, the ref number is your CRN that you'll want to write down. Since I've registered for section A, I need to make sure to pick an A lab section as well, A01, A02, A03, etc. If you pay really close attention to the schedule, you'll notice that the numbers correlate with the lab days and times. So an O1 section is always going to be 12 to 3 on a Monday, O2 is always going to be 12 to 3 on Tuesday, 12 to 3 on Wednesday, etc., etc. So say I wanted to get lab done early in the week, and I want to register for A01. Well, actually, I'm not going to pick A01 since it's not open right now. Say I pick A02. It's got 2 seats remaining. We'll get A01 out of there. So now I'm registered for lab and a lecture section, and I also want to write down 87153, which is the CRN for the lab section. You'll need to enter both of these CRNs simultaneously in order to register for freshman chemistry properly. And the flow is exactly the same registering for 1211 or 1212. Get both the lab and the lecture CRNs and register for them simultaneously when you sign up.